Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical shooting target, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Shooting Target, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Shooting Target dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hiram Resetting Target. Introducing the Hiram Resetting Target, your ultimate shooting companion designed for precision and portability. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this target is built to endure powerful shots from 22 and 1/77 caliber pellet or BB guns, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for air gun shooting training, with 1/7 shooting spots that challenge your accuracy from varying distances. Experience the satisfaction of perfect plinking with the steel material providing audible feedback with each successful shot. Achieve firm stability with sturdy, pointy feet that anchor the target securely into the ground, preventing any unwanted wobbles during your practice sessions. Enjoy automatic resetting functionality, where hitting the 4 bottom targets causes them to swing up, while the top target resets the entire system, eliminating the need for manual resetting. Measuring at 15x10x12 and weighing just 126 kilograms, this target boasts a portable design without compromising on durability. Elevate your rifle shooting experience with the Hiram Resetting Target, your key to precision and fun on the range. Number 2. Highwild Double Spinner Shooting Targets Auto Reset Steel Target for Centerfire Handguns up to 44 Magnum. Introducing the Highwild Double Spinner Shooting Targets, the perfect addition to your shooting range for a thrilling experience with Centerfire handguns up to 44 Magnum. Crafted from premium solid steel, these targets boast exceptional durability, with 38 thick, 3.5 and 4.5 diameter spinning targets that withstand powerful hits. Designed for convenience, the targets feature an auto-reset mechanism, where the 2 different size targets effortlessly spin back into position after being hit, eliminating the hassle of manual resetting. Plus, the targets are painted flat black to prevent rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in challenging outdoor conditions. Setting up is a breeze with quick and easy assembly. Simply press the targets into the ground and start firing away. Whether for practice or competition, the Highwild Double Spinner Shooting Targets provide hours of engaging pistol shooting fun. Join countless satisfied shooters and elevate your range sessions with these top-rated targets. Number 3. ARSUK Air Rifle Targets for Indoor, Outdoor, and Backyard Shooting Practice. Introducing ARSUK Air Rifle Targets, your go-to solution for precision shooting practice, both indoors and outdoors. Crafted from durable 3M thick alloy steel, these targets offer resilience against repeated impacts, ensuring longevity for your shooting sessions. Featuring a self-resetting mechanism, these targets enhance your shooting experience by eliminating the need for manual resetting, allowing you to focus solely on honing your skills. With a convenient weight of just 19 pounds and compact dimensions of 1142 x 933 x 118 inches, they are easily portable for hassle-free storage and transportation. Optimized for shooting distances of around 25 ft, these targets provide the ideal setup for achieving precision and accuracy in your shots, making every practice session effective and rewarding. Elevate your shooting skills with ARSUK Air Rifle Targets, designed to adapt to diverse shooting environments and cater to both beginners and seasoned shooters alike. Number 4. Shooting Targets 7 Steel Targets Know Your Limits Target 22 LR Spinning Rimfire Target. Introducing the Shooting Target 7 Know Your Limits Target, a must-have for shooters looking to test and improve their accuracy. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel and coated with black zinc phosphate, this target offers durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance even in challenging outdoor conditions. Designed in a round shape with a diameter of 2 inches and a thickness of 14 inch, this target provides a challenging yet rewarding experience for shooters. Its spinning rimfire design adds an extra element of excitement to your shooting practice sessions. With package dimensions of 36.5 x 46 x 4 inches and a weight of 576 kilograms, this target is portable and easy to transport to your preferred shooting location. Elevate your shooting skills and push your limits with the Shooting Target's 7 Know Your Limits target, a favorite among shooters seeking a thrilling and dynamic shooting experience. Number 5. KNINE Outdoors Hunting Shooting Taget Airgun Spinner Target, rated for 182 Rimfire. Introducing the KNINE Outdoors Hunting Shooting Target, your ultimate companion for precision shooting practice. Rated for 177 and 182 air rifles, as well as 182 rimfire rifles and handguns. This target is versatile and accommodating for various firearms. Crafted from durable iron with a target thickness of 5 mm, it promises resilience against repeated hits, ensuring long-lasting use. The set includes 3 targets with diameters of 165, 225, and 365, catering to different skill levels and shooting distances. Target stickers in 2 colors are also provided for enhanced visibility and target distinction. Setting up is effortless with no assembly required. Simply set the target leg into the ground and you're ready to shoot. Whether you're honing your accuracy or enjoying a recreational shooting session, the KNINE Outdoors Hunting Shooting Target promises hours of fun and skill development. Plus, with 247 customer service, assistance is just a message away for any queries or concerns. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.